Community Empowerment Act is really about devolving power and decision making into the communities, and for that the Scottish Fire and Rescue Service is a statutory partner, so we're really much very involved in the community itself. Within East Ayrshire, what we've got within the Community Empowerment Act is local outcome improvement plans, and it's these plans that are actually generated and created by the community themselves, and they decide on what key areas do the partners kind of look at as such. And the key areas for Kilmarnock, first one is loneliness and social isolation, and the second one is health inequalities. And it's really up to us as partners, as with the public sector, private sector and the third sector, we all work together to try to make real differences within our communities. As I said, priority number one is social isolation and loneliness. And for ourselves, every partner is valued, and it's up to us to work together to make a real example. The example that I would like to give and highlight the importance of partnership working is how we've all came together and created an open day that would invite the whole of the community to this open day, obviously specifically targeting people who felt as if they were lonely and had a bit of social isolation. So that group can cover a multitude of people. It can cover people who are elderly, it can cover single parent families, it can also cover people who are unemployed, people who are generally lonely. The Scottish Fire and Rescue Service perspective, it was a great opportunity for ourselves to get in there, and whilst we're generating that conversation with the people who were invited, at the same time it actually enabled us to pass on the fire safety message within the home and try to highlight the dangers, and obviously try to support that with offering home fire safety visits as well. It was a great partnership approach. Not only did you have ourselves, but as I said, you had many other organisations try to get over the safety message from themselves, the support in them, and also the assistance that they could bring to the local communities. What we did also generate as well was a lot of discussion. We actually made it entertaining, and on the back of that we made sure that conversations and relationships were built, not only with the communities but with the partners themselves. On the end up, we've started to build on this, and work will continue, but really it's about partners working together and actually trying to make a real difference within our communities.